Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the what can be done after 2 years of non-passing of AIBE exam. Means if a person is unable to pass the exam AIBE exam within 2 years, whether he can appear in the third, fourth and subsequent exams or not, and whether he can practice in the court of law or not. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. So an advocate who is enrolled in the concerned bar council advocate list, there is a clarification regarding the eligibility to appear for AIBE exam after 2 years of enrollment as an advocate. What can be done after if he is unable to pass within 2 years? There is a notification given by the Bar Council of India vide BCI.D.564 of 2017 dated 31/7/2017. It is addressed to all secretaries of the State Bar Council. It is very clearly written, the Office of the Bar Council of India receiving various queries from different state bar councils seeking clarification as to whether an advocate who has been enrolled for more than 2 years on State Bar Council bar roll can allowed to appear in All India Bar Exam 10 or not. It is by reiterated that clarify that any advocate who has graduated after 1st July 2010 can appear in All India Bar Exam for as many times as it requires him or her to pass such exam, irrespective of the fact that he or she has been enrolled for more than 2 years as an advocate on a State Bar Council roll. The concerned advocate is only barred from practicing as an advocate even after 2 years of being enrolled as an advocate on a State Bar Council roll. She is unable to pass the All India Bar Exam. Thus, an advocate enrolled on a State Bar roll is not debarred from appearing in All India Bar Examination as per Resolution number 73/2010 dated 30th of April 2010 passed by General Council of Bar Council. As an unsuccessful candidate may appear in AIBE exam without any limit on the number of attempts till she passes such exam. So by this notification we can clearly make it out that any candidate who has enrolled as an advocate in the concerned State Bar Council can appear for as many times as in the All India Bar Examination, but he or she cannot practice for more than 2 years. Suppose your date of enrollment is 1st of April 2020. So you can practice in the court from 1st April 2020 till 31st of March 22. That is exactly 2 years. After 1st April 2022 you cannot appear as an advocate in any court without passing the All India Bar Exam. Means you can appear in All India Bar Exam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as many times, but the practice is only allowed up to 2 years only from the date of enrollment. That is, your initial enrollment certificate is only made for 2 years. The validity of the enrollment certificate is normally of only 2 years. After that it gets expired and you cannot practice in any court, but you can appear and can pass the examination of All India Bar Exam as much time as you want to. Until the time you clear this exam, you cannot appear before any court as an advocate for any client after 2 years of your enrollment. So please friends, make a note of it and accordingly apply the same in your case, because now you have to go to the you must be a law graduate and you might have been enrolled with the State Bar Councils, and you have to see whether your certificate is valid or not. And if certificate is valid and you have passed the All India Bar Examination, then you can continue doing the practice within 2 years if you have passed the bar exam, and you can continue the practice. But if you are unable to clear the bar exam within those 2 years, then you cannot practice further in any court of law. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.